In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history on Chrome. First step is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Google Chrome. Go to Play Store and click Update. So as you can see, I am currently using the latest version of my Google Chrome. So I can now proceed and go to my Google web browser. Okay, so in order for me to clear all the history, or let's just say clear my browsing history on Chrome, all I have to do is just simply click the three dots. So that is our step two. Click the three dots at the top right corner. And then you have to scroll down and look for history. And then once you tap that history, you can see there are all the recent searches or the things or movies or files that you have searched. You can simply tap this one by one if you want to clear everything here, your history, but it takes time. So you just have to tap clear browsing data, and here you have two options, basic and advanced. So step four, you just have to tap time range here if you want to delete or clear the last hour of your browsing history. You just have to tap that one and click clear data. Same with advanced. So once you tap this clear data, it will delete or remove or clear your browsing history, of course, according to the time range that you have selected. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.